Well, I'm gonna take it for a little whirl. As you can see, it's raining. It's been downpouring all day. So I'll just give it a little quick ride. Don't expect much. There you go, you can look at the Concord in case something happens to me. Did I mention it was raining? Remember that sparkle wire that was 1/4 of an inch from the bar? Well, as soon as it got wet, it started arcing all over the place. Well, since I don't have a ignition kill on this thing yet, my son put the old, like his, a zip tie on there like they do on the racing cars, which his has an ignition kill too. Because if this thing goes awry, I don't want him reaching around to try and pull the plug off. I want him to be able to just flick the switch. It's right in the steering wheel on his. If you look, that zip tie is right around the metal part. It's soaking wet. And it's laying on the frame. And above and beyond. So, I'm going to wipe that off, blow it off. See if we can fire this bad boy up again, go for another ride. I'm going to try. Okay, scrap that last piece of footage. That'll be on the editing room floor. I'm going to lower it down. I'm going to fire it up for the first time and take it for a drive. Like nothing ever happened. Oh, did I tell you it was raining? That thing ain't getting any lighter. It's wet out there, guys. I don't know if it's the rain in my eyes or the water coming off that front tire. But there's no way. I'm running quarter throttle on this thing. It's funny too, you do about approximately 10 miles an hour. You just hum. And any amount of gas you give it, it just wants to go. You feel the thing vibrate. Like it's there. So, I mean, it always did good on the go-kart frame. I would just say we lightened it up just a little bit. So, I consider that a success. Now to mount the seat. And I gotta do some kind of air cleaner. Well, this is what I gotta do. I need an ignition switch to kill it. Air cleaner, seat, and that strap. For the header. And I actually need a new front tube. Would you believe both of the front tubes, or both of the tubes from this thing had leaks? And they were both patched like, oh, I don't even know how I'm sitting here. They were both patched like 90 times, like 100 years ago. So, well, I consider it a success, guys. That's it. We're moving forward. Pretty soon we're going to get the cruise together. Well, at least he's got 4 wheels on the ground and it's more stable.